What's your name, ma'am?
Sister of Faith.
Sister of Faith.
You know, before we go any further, can we bow our head in a word of prayer?
Sure.
Oh my God. As I look down on this man right about now, who about to give me the visa into the book, and let me leave up on the gully back. I pray. You have a kid, you have a son, right?
Yes.
I'm 14-year-old, right?
No, it's 15.
1 year different, 1 year. You see, I'm good. You know, so that boy is gonna pass his JXC exam and go to a big high school in Jamaica.
Oh, really? He's been studying very well.
Very well. Little boy don't look a bad. But look here now. You supposed to give me the visa because Father Olang sent me up here.
Oh, really? Father, how long